So this is going to be a video on wet scanning, and it'll be in 3 parts. First part will be on the box with wet scanning material in it and cleaning the negative. Second part will be on how to create the sandwich with respect to the tray, the acetate, and scanning fluid. A third part will cover software. Okay? And as always, with all of the material in the department, studios, scanners, dark rooms, map room, printers, etc., everything needs to be reserved ahead of time. And with the wet scan, you will need to reserve both the wet scanner itself and the box containing the wet scanning materials. As with everything else, once you reserve that, all of the materials you need will be set up and in place at the time your reservation starts. Okay, thank you. So let's get started. This is one of 2 boxes we have for the wet scanning materials. So in this box, we have film cleaner, scanning fluid. Set that aside, that's what we're going to scan today. These are pre-cut acetate pieces for 35 millimeter and 2 1/4. Should be an orange anti-static cloth. You can use this to clean your negative on. Maybe a pair of scissors if you need to cut acetate material for a larger format. Wipes to be used with film cleaner. There may be an additional anti-static cloth. This is the tray for scanning. Set that aside for the moment. And this box contains acetate. You can cut this down for odd sizes and or 4x5. So let me set this aside so we have a bit more desktop space. And let me take this down just a little bit. Okay. So first things first, we're going to be scanning a piece of 35 millimeter black and white film. Black and white film or the color will have an emulsion side, which will be the matte side. It's a bit duller than the other side. Also, film typically curls in towards the emulsion. So if you notice, when I pick this up, there's a slight curve to it. So the inside of that curve is likely to be the emulsion. This side will go up in the scanner. So we're going to lay that on the anti-static cloth. We're going to do that to have a smooth and soft surface to clean on. Laying it on the desktop itself is going to be pretty abrasive, and we want to avoid that. So we're going to take the film cleaner and put it on the edge of a folded wipe. You can be pretty liberal with this. It's better to have a bit too much than not enough. Hold the negative down with your fingertips. You know, we don't want to put our fingertips or directly on the film, as the oils in your skin will eat into the emulsion pretty quickly. So just go in one direction a couple times, turn it over, do the same thing. We're going in one direction so that if there is a material, dust, dirt on the wipe, we're not dragging it back and forth over the negative and scratching it. All right. So that takes care of our cleaning. And we'll set that aside. We're going to stop this recording and then make a separate recording, show you how to create the sandwich on the foam holder.